VEO3 is paid. But trust me, I found a completely free alternative. And this is not normal. This tool allows you to generate up to 1,000 videos every single day. Yes, 1,000 videos per day. If you've ever dreamed of building a fully automated YouTube channel, this is exactly where that dream starts to become real. Before I show you everything, let me be very clear. This video is not a paid promotion. I'm sharing this because it actually works. Alright, now let's dive straight into my laptop screen. First, we need to add a browser extension. Go to Google and search for Automata. You can also search for Automata extension. Click the first result you see. This will take you to the official page, where you'll see Automata for Meta AI automation. This is the extension we need. Now click on Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension. That's it. The extension is now successfully added to your Chrome browser. And the best part, you don't need to come back to this website again. To open the extension, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon. From the list, find Automata and simply click on it. The extension will now open on your screen. And now, let's see how this actually works like VEO3.
Inside the extension, click Go to Meta AI. It will open Meta AI in a new tab. Now, simply sign in. I already have an account, so I'll just click Continue. Once you're inside, choose the format you want to generate. Since we want videos like VEO3, select Video. Now here's where things get powerful. Go to ChatGPT and type something like, "Make me 5 VEO3 consistent short prompts for cow videos." You can create prompts for any niche: cats, cars, storytelling, cinematic scenes, anything you want. ChatGPT will generate 5 consistent prompts. Copy all of them. Then paste them directly into the Automata extension and click Start. Now watch what happens. Instead of generating one video at a time, Meta AI will automatically process every single prompt and generate a full video for each one. No manual work, no repeating the same steps again and again. This is huge for YouTube automation creators because it saves time and increases output massively. You can see it generating all the scenes right now. Once everything is ready, you can preview the videos using the play icon or download them individually. If you want everything downloaded automatically, go into the extension settings and turn on the auto download option. If you prefer manual control, just keep it off. The quality is surprisingly good, especially for a free method. Now let's take it further. If you want to create a full story video, go back to ChatGPT and write, "Make me a story of a cat in 5 VEO3 prompts." Copy all 5 prompts and paste them into Automata. Before clicking Start, you can open the settings icon to control things like how many videos to process, video duration, and download preferences. Once you click Start, it will automatically generate all the scenes for your story. After a few seconds, you'll see everything ready, and the scenes connect together like a complete short film. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, story-based content, kids animation channels, AI cinematic channels, automation creators. And remember, the better your prompts, the better your results. If you write detailed cinematic instructions, you'll get much stronger and more consistent scenes. So yes, this is how you can create VEO3 style videos completely free using Automata and Meta AI. Unlimited videos, high quality results, and massive time saved. If you want me to create a full tutorial on complete YouTube automation, niche strategies, or how to turn this into a monetized system, let me know in the comments.